We all know that the universe sends us messages every day. Some people call them signs, and some people just think they are coincidences. But they're there to help guide you on your journey through life and make it easy for you to find what you need, whether it be a new job or a new home. So here's the sign you need to pay attention to. Number 1. Dreams. One of the ways you can tell the universe is trying to communicate with you is through your dreams. Our brains are incredibly active while we are sleeping, and our subconscious minds can send us messages in our dreams, especially if it's trying to convey something important like a warning, a lesson about the future. You might remember having dreams about people or events that will play out in your life. In fact, when you learn about the messages through dreams and start paying attention to them, then it's a possibility that they will happen more often because you're calling on the universe for information. Number 2. Animals and nature. When an animal keeps showing up, it can mean that there's a lesson for you to learn. For example, when you see birds in a flock high in the sky, there might be a hidden message for you. The natural world is a reflection of our inner world. Animals are often used as a symbol to teach us something about ourselves and guide us. Number 3. Patterns or numbers. There will be a time when you see numbers repeating in your life. It's important to pay attention because this is the universe sending you a message. For example, you haven't checked the time for ages and you get the sudden urge to look at your phone or watch and the time is 11:11 to 22, etc. These numbers are the universe's way of telling you to take notice and look into what they mean because something significant is going on. Number 4. Synchronicity. Synchronicity happens for a reason because the universe is trying to tell you something. These small moments of coincidences aren't accident. They're clues. A good example of this is when you are thinking of someone, they call or text. The universe wants your attention and will go out of its way to get it. These coincidences are indicated that there is something the universe needs to tell you about yourself, other people, or situations in your life. Number 5. Pain and illness. There will be a situation when you are in so much pain, be it physical or mental. The universe will send you messages telling you to stop what you are doing and take care of yourself. Listen to these messages because they are trying to protect you from further damage that could lead to serious health issues. Number 6. Recurring words or phrases. There is a deep meaning to words and phrases that keep popping up in your life. For example, the universe might send you these phrases, slow down, over and over again until you finally take heed to its advice. Messages are sent through many different mediums, including people, books that are read, or songs you hear on the radio. Number 7. Emotions that are out of place. There will be times you will notice that your emotions do not fit the situation. It's normal to feel a heightened sense of happiness when you win or something great happens. But it can be strange if you're feeling intense sadness even though nothing bad has occurred. Number 8. Smells. There will be a sense of smell that is different than anything you have ever smelled. This could be linked to a person, place, or thing, and it will seem familiar yet strange all at the same time. This is a message from the universe to pay attention to. You are being given a clue that something is about to happen or someone will appear in your life who you may have met before, but not quite remember. Number 9. Intuition or gut feelings. People always say you should always listen to your intuition because it's never wrong. Intuition is the universe's way of helping you to be mindful of your situation and what's going on around you. It can feel as though the universe is giving us messages in those few seconds of clarity. Number 10. Déjà vu. We all experience déjà vu, those strange but perfect moments where you can't help but feel that this has happened before. In most cases, déjà vu happens when we spot small details in our current situation that triggers an intense memory from the past. Number 11. Thoughts during meditation. If you're a highly spiritual person, then you will understand why you would receive random thoughts during meditation. Often we tend to ignore these messages, but they are usually related to something in our life that we need to pay attention to. during your meditation, if you find yourself thinking about a certain part of your day or even an individual, then it's likely that the universe is giving you signs. Number 12. Losing or finding objects. There will be a certain time when you lose something, for example, your car keys, and you will find them at an opportune moment. You will then realize that it was meant to be that you find them at a certain time. There is a reason why we lose various things, and it prevents us from participating in certain gatherings, events, and activities. You will also find things at a certain time, like a book you were looking for or even your wallet. These instances are universe messages to prevent us from doing something that may be harmful to ourselves in the long run. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.